Previously on Nora G's Nook, I showed you how we made a giant wall art using thumbtacks from the Dollar Tree. If you haven't watched this video yet, make sure to check it out right after today's video. For today's video, show reel. Hello beautiful person watching this, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Nora G, and for today's video we're going right into it. So today's video was a subscriber request sent to me via Instagram, and so this subscriber suggested for me to do a wall art using the Dollar Tree silver spoons. So that is what we will be doing here today. So as you can see, I'm using cardboard to create the base of my wall art. I used my charger blade to draw a circle. You could use any other thing that can draw a good circle for you. And I will also be using my Dollar Tree mirrors like I had shown. So once I had that cut out using my electric cutter, I'll have the link in the description box for your shopping convenience. I will go ahead to cover this with aluminum foil. Make sure to measure it out that it's enough to cover your cardboard. Once you have that cut out, go ahead and crunch it up like you can see me doing. Just be careful not to tear it apart, so do this gently. Once that is done, you gradually open it up and try to smoothen it out. This is just to give it some good texture. I didn't just want it to be a flat surface silver, so I decided to crunch it up to give it some texture, and this is what it looked like. So next I'll go ahead to use my Mod Podge over it to make sure that this gets stuck on the cardboard. Just watch as I do this. You could also use hot glue to put this together, or tacky glue. However, I had Mod Podge at home, so I'm using Mod Podge to do this. So once I had a good coverage, I went ahead and glued my aluminum foil on top of my cardboard. So this normally takes about 24 hours to cure properly, so I went ahead to use my hot glue to hold it down on the reverse side. Once you have that done, go ahead and cut off the excess. Okay, so now that we're prepped with our base, I will go ahead to put our mirror. So these mirrors you've seen in my previous videos, they're from the Dollar Tree. I've had people say they don't find them in their Dollar Trees, but trust me, they do come in, but they sell out pretty quickly. So I'll be using this. However, I would be spray painting this silver, but before I do so, I'll be covering the mirror using some saran wrap before spray painting it. So I find that using saran wrap to cover the mirror area works perfectly well for me. You could also use some masking tape or paper if you wish. So using my X-Acto knife, I cut out the excess of the saran wrap around the mirror. Well, if you've watched right up to this point, I would love it if you can comment Decor in the comments section below and show your girl some love. Thank you. So I will go ahead to glue the mirror now onto our cardboard surface. I'm using hot glue for this, but you could also use any of your strong adhesive to do this. So I needed this to get dry pretty quickly. That is why I'm using hot glue. And once that was dry, I will go ahead to spray paint this before using the spoons around it. So I'm using my Rust-Oleum metallic finish silver chrome to spray paint this, and this is what it looked like after it was spray painted. Alright, so a lot of you had mentioned that I've used a lot of gold, so I decided to use silver this time around. And so now it's time for me to go ahead to decorate these using the spoons from the Dollar Tree. These come in a pack of 24 each, so I actually used 3 packets of this. So as you can see, I'm actually gluing them in 2 different heights. So one very close to the mirror and another just a little bit at the edge of our cardboard. So just watch as I complete this. I find these spoons very decorative as opposed to the regular clear plastic spoons, which for those you would definitely have to spray paint. With these ones, the spoons come in silver chrome, so I didn't have to spray paint it. But if you're looking to having this in gold, you may want to spray paint that as well, or black, whichever color you want. I chose to keep this as is. So please do let me know in the comment section, would you keep this silver as is, or would you spray paint it some other color? And if so, what color would you recommend? Alright, so this is a pretty straightforward and very easy DIY that you can try. And also the cost for this wasn't even up to $10, to be honest, because 3 packs of this at $1.25 and then the mirror, basically. Okay, so once I was done with the spoon, for my glam decor lovers, at this point, you could choose to add some gemstones in the spoon areas and just choose to elevate this by adding some more glitter and all those fun stuff. But I chose to keep it simple, and I will not be adding any more adornments or embellishments. So this is what our final look is like. What do you think? Please do let me know in the comment section what your thoughts are about this particular wall decor. So to put this on the wall, I actually used some command hooks. You could use command hooks, you could use double-sided tape, or you could actually put a string on there and have it hung on the wall. So those are the 3 different options that you can actually use to hang this up. It is very light, so command hooks worked perfectly for me. Once again, do let me know your thoughts in the comment section. You know I love to chat with you all. With that said, that will bring us to the end of this video. Like I said, this was very straight to the point and very simple, and I hope I made you proud, dear subscriber who sent me this request. And if you did enjoy this video, please do not forget to hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you do not miss a thing. In the meantime, always remember to be your fun self no matter what life throws at you. Thank you for watching and have a great day.